Today I'm going to show you how to make a traditional Gujarati savory cake called Handvo. It's moist, veggie packed and so easy to pull off. Now my vegetarian version of Handvo is made with a blend of semolina and chickpea flour and loaded with cabbage, peas, onions and cilantro. Now this recipe is reduced in salt and lower in fat. Plus it's a source of fiber and a good source of iron. Now I must say it's an all-time favorite and a healthy Indian recipe we devour. Now, typically we enjoy a slice as a wholesome snack and it also serves brilliantly for lunch. Hi folks, Shehzadi here, your friendly neighborhood dietitian. Welcome back to my channel, Desi Licious Dietitian on Demand, where I show busy health seekers like yourselves how to eat for health, nourish mindfully and thrive. Now this is your go-to source for health optimizing actionables and lip-smacking easy and healthy recipes with a cultured twist. Now if that sounds like it's your cup of tea, hit that subscribe button. Okay, let's dive in and make Handvo. Next, temper the whole spices and sesame seeds in hot oil until golden. Pour the oil and add it to the semolina vegetable batter along with half of the tempered curry leaves and seeds. Mix well and save the remaining leaves and seeds for the topping. Now add the baking soda and fruit salt and give it a good mix as well. Pour the batter into a lined cake pan using a flat spatula to spread evenly and finish by topping with the remaining curry leaves and seeds and send to bake for 50 to 60 minutes. Now always check with a fork and make sure it comes out clean, indicating that your Handvo is cooked through. Now let it cool if you can wait that long and serve with your favorite chili chutney. So good. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up or leave me a comment. I'd love to know what nutrition and diet related videos you want me to dive into next or what recipes you want me to cook in the Desi Licious kitchen. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.